They so cute. I'm recording.
See, she's trying to keep him warm.
The one's getting hurt. Look at he's getting hurt.
No, they're not getting hurt.
He's laying under her. He's crying. Or
Look at
she.
her belly, though. See what her belly's doing?
You're gonna have to get a heater. After maybe you come back from. Well, why don't we wait?
Let's just. Did you tell Mom we have two?
No, I will.
See, she's resting now. Yeah, that one has a lot of white.
See the heat. This lamp throws heat.
Yeah.
You don't think it's too bright, do you?
No.
Puppy cute.
Where's the other one? I don't see it.
They're about there. There's two
Two
little heads
heads.
sticking out.
Oh, she's laying on it.
She's trying to keep him warm and safe.
Shut up, Chelsea.
But see how her belly is convulsing again?
Yes, yes, yeah. Oh, this is where he's moving there.
See how she shook?
I hear it. I hear it. Yeah. Suffocate the other ones. God,